But let's also continue when it comes to business updates. Let's take a look at how some of the banks are performing this quarter. In fact, Sharad is standing by with that update. Sharad, not one, not two, but three banks that you're looking at as well.
Not only that, there's some important NBFCs also, and surprisingly, the performance has been good. And this might actually help the Nifty Bank, at least in the initial hour of trade as well. But looking at how the numbers have panned out, we'll be taking the large banks, which have done really well, and even the advanced deposits, which are the key operational parameters when we are tracking. That's where we are looking at. Kotak Bank, a strong set of numbers. The CASA growth is improved, and the cost of funds in the third quarter as well. Interestingly, looking at the NIMs, they are expected to improve from the third quarter onwards as well. We will be tracking the earnings also, and looking at the headline numbers, this is what we are seeing, largely 16% growth coming in the net advances, and even the CASA going up by almost 9%. That's Kotak Bank for you. Axis Bank, relatively much better numbers, I could say. Both of them have been better than the Q2 numbers overall, to put that in perspective. And also, let's look at the other important business updates coming in, and that's also expected to bottom out in Q3 as well. This has largely been a collective consensus, and these are the numbers which are there on the screen. Decent, above 14 to 15%. So we spoke about this, and now L&T Finance, a very strong set of number, and the word for this stock will be retail. Retail numbers are very, very strong. Disbursements is up 49%, and this growth which you're talking about, that's up 20%, and that's something which we'll be looking out for in the trade. It's expected to be positive. IndusInd Bank, of course, the weaker side, the numbers are coming in, and there was an impact coming in, as the losses had been hit around 6 months odd. But there are certain parameters which are coming back also, especially deposits. So there might be a surprise for IndusInd Bank, but net prima facie, it's a mixed set of numbers. So this is the total, BFSI setup coming in for today's trade.